Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed part 19 tuition class in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is my number. Call and WhatsApp 919941599815. This is my number. In this is any issue, so please contact this anytime 24/7. I am always available, and this is a paid service, not a free service. This number. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run. This is a localhost PSP myadmin 12_Laravel. This is a database name. Inside this lostop table is available. Let's click this user table, and this user table is a multiple role wise is a user is a available. Is role 0 means user, 1 means admin, 2 means super admin, and this my project is available. This project htdoc, and this is Laravel_12, and this is already run localhost Laravel 12, and this login inside this super admin. This is available. 2 number is a super admin. Let's click this super admin, copy and paste here. Password is a 123456, and click this. Successfully working. This is a dashboard screen. Less dashboard is a not used. This is a remove, extra is a all. This is a only static value. First of all, this dashboard is available. Resource inside this view inside this super admin, this dashboard, and this is a dashboard is a not used. Let's remove. This dashboard is a blank. Let's successfully this is a remove. All good, and refresh this page. Successfully remove is a good working. Let's again this refresh this page. It is a show. All good. Save file, and successfully this is a blank, as it is a working fine. This is a dashboard, and this profile menu is not working. This is a static. This user list is a working fine. This previous all video check, otherwise lost of doubt. This is a search bar, and this is a list is a working fine, and this is a list is a dynamic is a available. This list. This is a list is a dynamic only. 0 means show. This 0 means only show. All good. Next, inside this implementation tuition class. Tuition class means available. This is a my all photo is a implementation 7 available. This first of all, first photo is open image, and this first image is a implementation database relationship is a available. This is a relation student. First of all, student, in this student ID, name, email, phone, address, date of birth, and registration date. This is a date student table, database table, and this is any doubt, so please contact. This is a relationship is a available, and this step by step inside this is a include. This is a student new table is a create. After this is a all field is a same here. This same here field is a create. This same here ID, this student ID, name, email, this same field is a create. This same field. First name is a this name. All good. This is unique ID, full name, email address, contact address, BOD, and within the student joining date. And this is a all implementation. This is a first image. Second is the image is a show. This is a second image. This is a second image is a teacher. Teacher means is a you click this new teacher table name, and inside this same here teacher ID, name, email, phone, specialization, and join date. And this is a all subject execution. This is a all subject inside this type, and description is a all implementation, and this is a my number. Otherwise this number is a not a contact. So anytime this is a available my official errorsolutioncode.com. This is a website. In this inside this available contact us form. Please contact this form is a click this contact inside this, fill up this form and submit. 100% I coming soon. Already reply send 24/7. This is a number is a available. All good. Next is the third image is a show. This is a first. This is a second image. Next is a third image. This is a third image is a show. This is a third image. Third image is a subject. Subject means is a subject ID, name, and description. This is a subject is a table name. This is a table is a subject name. Subject name is a table name. This is a table name is a subject name. Inside this is ID, subject, description, and title. The same here. This is name and description. This is the all. Subject means math, English, Hindi. This is a subject. Next is a class means session. This is a class. First of all, this class ID. This same here class ID. Next is a subject ID, means this subject. This is a subject ID. Next is a lesson. This four number image. Next teacher ID. This is a teacher ID is implementation. Start time, end time, and room number. This is optional. Room number is anytime sent. This is optional. And this is teacher ID. This teacher is a lecturer. Means this teacher is lecturer and this is a subject. This teacher is a Vipul. The Vipul is a math available. Hardik is a English. This is a subject. And this is a 4. Same here is a 5 number is a image show less 5 number, and this environment number is a environment in this ID inside the student ID, class ID, and environment date. Environment is a class ID. The same name is a class ID. This is a ID is a implementation inside this join table is a available. This 5 number same here inside this table is a created environment table. This is a lot of video is available. Only 20 video, 21 video is a generated this step by step. This is a last is this is a not a last. This is 6 number is a 6 image is a payment. Payment is a payment ID, student ID, amount, pay date, payment method means card, credit card, transfer, net banking, etc. Lost of payment, razor pay. This is all implementation. This is a not any additional information. This is a not is a implementation. All good. Next is a this is attention. Means this is a unique ID. This is a student, class, date, and date. Date is present, absent, yeah, late. And this is the implementation. This is 7 number, and this is a all good implementation. Please write down. This is a 7 step is a available 7. This last is a 7 new table is a create, and this is a all menu is a create. This database redemption. First menu is inside this create this student. Second menu is teacher menu inside this create. Third menu is a subject. Fourth menu is a class. 5 is a environment. 6 is a payment, and 7 is a attendance. This is all menu inside this. Click inside this all work is a step by step. In this is a all implementation super admin. Super admin after this teacher is a all access. This is your personal student. And this is a user means student is a inside. This is your work is a submit. All step by step implementation. Please write down. This is a all screen is a show. This is a all screen is a database structure is a show. Any doubt to please contact this inside. This is a all my number is a available, and this is a my official website error solution code, and this is a my error solution is a code. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Let's step by step. This is a all working fine. Let's inside this is a menu is a generate. This is the only simple introduction. Let's new menu is a generate. Let's first of all this sidebar open, layout, sidebar. Sidebar was a create. First of all this menu is 100% is a all created. Let's next menu is the same name, copy and paste here, and this is extra. This is not use, remove, not use. This is a not use, remove. And next is a first menu is a create. This is a menu name is a student's menu is a create. First menu is a student, menu is a create. The student menu is a create. This is a menu is a student menu. Let's refresh this page. 100% student menu is a show. This is a good working. This student menu. The student menu is a working, but this is icon is a set. This is icon is a user. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is a show. This is a not a users. Let's users. Let's refresh this page. Not a show. FA student. Let's wait. FA student is a search. FA student. FA student, and this is education icon. This is a education icon. FA means education icon. This is a reading book. This is a FFA book, reading book, and I refresh this page. 100% is a show. This is a successfully show this student. Next is a implementation. This is next is a teacher. The same name is a copy and paste here. Next is a less photo is a show. First is a student, next is a teacher. Less teacher name is the same name is a create teacher menu name. This is a teacher. The step by step implementation. This is a teacher, after is available subject. The subject. Next is a set class. Next is a environment. Next is a payment. Next is a last is a attendance. All successfully menu is a generated. This is a 7 menu is a create and sidebar menu. This is a 7 menu is a create. This profile menu is a not a use. Less profile menu is a remove. This not use profile menu. Let's remove profile menu is a not use. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully all menu is a create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and last is a logout. All good. This step by step implementation, all menu is a successfully generated. But this is icon. Let's step by step icon is a change. This is icon is a change. This is a checkbox. This is a open book. Let's next is a open book. Otherwise graduate cap. Teacher means graduate cap. This is a reading book is a change, and this save file and I refresh this page. 100% is a this is available student, and the subject. Subject means is the implementation. This is a subject. This subject. This is a your menu is a choice. This is a your menu is a choice. Next is a class. So this is a class, and this is a this number is a set class. Lost of menu is available inside this. Any menu is a implementation. This is a word. This is a payment, so means card. Payment is not available, so let's insert this. Next is available lost of menu. This is the lost of menu is available. Any menu is all to FA card. This is available credit card. Otherwise IT card. This is all available this credit card. Credit card set. Let's refresh this page, and this credit card is not available, so this number is a S is a set. Not a available credit card. Inside this menu is a good, and this search view menu. This is a school. This menu is a set, and last year attendance. This is attendance is a laptop. All menu is a successfully created. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a menu is a environment is a not a environment, and this is a not a, okay. This is a 2 time FFA. Let's save file and refresh this page. 100% is a all menu is a successfully created. All good. This is a fine. Successfully all send inside this profile is a available. This is a profile. All good. This is a menu is a create. This is a all menu is a first is a student, teacher, subject, class, environment and payment, and last is attendance. All successfully created this menu, and this menu is a table. Inside this is a all table is a create. After in this is a all work step by step implementation, and please check this is a tuition class. In this is a tuition class is a all implementation. Please write down this is a page is a write down. all successfully set. Please write down, and this is a write down. This video is a done only simple introduction. This video is a done. Next video is a first of all this student is a implementation. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.